With an auto dialer, we can dial 3 to 5 numbers all day, and your caller is dialing 3 to 5 numbers all day. If your caller someone picks up and they're on the phone, our auto dialer keeps dialing and it'll get a second person on the phone. And then we have a lot of callers, so they work round robin. So a backup will pop in and they'll answer that second call. And then if a third person answers, you could have 3 cold callers on the phone talking to your leads all at one time. Also, so that's how we're able to dial sometimes 1,500 up 2,000 calls per day, and we're able to get 1,000 people on the phone or to answer per day. If you hire from Upwork, you get your own cold caller, you can even put them on a power dialer, whatever you want. Without a backup, they need to stop dialing in between. So it's just really comes down to how many times can they get someone to answer during a day. And you're going to be closer to 200 or 300 pickups per day and maybe 50 conversations and maybe one lead. On top of that, you are going to be sitting there managing the script, QA, if you have time to listen to all their calls and coach them, and then just improving them over time, setting up a database to manage their leads, setting up a way for those leads to get into your CRM so you can follow up with them. If you just look at the results, 3 leads per day versus 1 lead per day, you get triple the leads. And then if you look at the idea that you're going to hire, pay, train, and then continuously coach, listen to calls, that $700 or $800 very quickly becomes a really silly trade-off.